clean one of them balance boards. Wonder what it does. Welcome back to Casual Fitness Seekers. Now today we'll be doing a product review on the Dmoose Balance board for core strength.
The balance board is made from a durable wood material and has a solid wooden surface that is coated with a non-slip texture for a secure grip and supports up 300 pounds. This balance board is lightweight and only weighs 3.2 pounds. Its measurements are 15.5 inches in length with 15.5 inches in width and has a height of 3.15 inches, which makes this a very portable piece of equipment that can travel with you virtually anywhere. Due to the Dmoose Balance board's versatility, you can say goodbye to those monotonous training regimens. You'll be targeting muscles of the lower body, upper body, and core for strength to improve balance and stability for those of you who are new to fitness, those home workout gurus, athletes, and even rehab patients. Almost anyone.
Final thoughts coming from someone who's never used a balance board before is, hey, I am definitely adding it to my workouts. It seems like a great piece of equipment that can add a lot of variety to our already existing workouts. And it seems like I'm working a little bit harder to do those regular moves like the plank, push-ups, and also do a squat, trying to keep the board balanced. Now, if you want a nice piece of equipment that's very inexpensive, I recommend going ahead and get yourself one of these balance boards from the Dmoose company. And this was our product review for the Dmoose Balance board for core strength. Now, if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down in the comment section below, or you can reach out to us on one of our social media platforms that's on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And if you want to get your hands on some of our merch, make sure you go on over to casualfitnessseekers.net. Now, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And if you don't want to miss out on any upcoming videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button that should be floating around about right here. Now, go ahead and enjoy the rest of the day. Relax. We'll catch you next time. Casual Fitness Seekers out.